Hi friends, welcome back to Canada Tried and Tested, and congratulations to all of you who made it in today's express entry draw. Today's CRS cutoff is at 469, down by 3 points than the previous one which was at 472, and 5000 candidates have got this invitation to apply. Now what is interesting is between today's draw and last draw, it's only a week's difference, and let's do a fun game. As I analyze today's entire CRS cutoff score, you also join me in and let's see and predict what the future score would be. We will play with data and let's do that guesswork. So first, for ease of everyone, I will type on Google search express entry rounds of invitation. Now there is only one website I refer, and I would encourage you to refer, because the most authentic and right information is provided on government's this website canada.ca. So when I type this express entry rounds of invitation, I am taken to this page and let's see. So in today's draw, that is draw number 168, November 25th 2020, number of invitation issued 5000. Last time also it was 5000. Rank required to be invited to apply 5000 or above. Date and time of round, that is today's date, November 25th at this time. And CRS score of the lowest rank candidate invited is at 469. So there is also a tie breaking rule. I had explained in previous video. For benefit of all of you, I will explain what tie breaking rule is. This means that there would have been more number of candidate at score of 469, and how do we break, or how do we make sure that the person who had come in first gets priority? This is the way. This is for the 469 score only. If you had score above 469, then you would get the invitation to apply automatically. And if you had entered with the score of 469 on or before this date, October 15th, and this time, you would be getting the invitation to apply. And if you had entered later than this, then you will have to wait for future draw. Okay, I hope this is making sense. Now coming to the CRS score distribution of candidate as on November 23rd. Today is 25th. So the government, when they took out this cutoff, they took out the list as on November 23, and this is the CRS score range, and these are the number of candidate in pool. Now for your ease, I have created this table. Okay, I have taken data what is there on government website and I have created this table. I have not made any new change. It's a direct cut copy paste. It's easier for you to understand. So you see the range between 461 to 1200, and how many candidates are there on November 16th and on November 23rd. Now if you look at the November 18th cutoff, which was at 472, which means we will have to consider range between 471 and upward until 1200. Okay, so the score was 472, and if you calculate this range between 481 to 1200, how many candidates were there? 1444. And in the range of 471 to 480, 3668. Now how many candidates were invited? 5000. So if you see overall, in range between 471 and 480, we still had 112 candidates remaining who would not have been picked. So these could be candidates who were at 471 or who had score of 472, but they had entered after the cutoff time and date, which was announced on November 18th. I hope this makes sense till now. Now the candidate, these 112 candidates would have carried forward for this November 23rd candidate list And then this score range of 461 and 470, this was untouched last time because the score was at 472. So they had 11,778 candidates, and some more would have joined in within this 1 week. That has made it to 12,007. Now in this entire list there might be candidate who have been waiting for 1 year in express entry and they have not seen the score drop, and they would have finished that 1 year and things would have changed in their case, say change of age and many other factors, or in some cases people would have improved their score also. We will come to that later on. So between this range of 481 and 1200, we had new candidates joining in within this week. How many new candidates have joined in? If you total up, you will see that almost 680 candidates joined in who are new. Okay, there could be factors here and there, but this is more or less right assumption. And we had a carry forward of 112 candidates in this range of 471 and 480, including them today the candidates who were there in pool were 1679. Okay, so now if you look at the score range between 471 to 1200 and total it up, there were 2359 candidates. And how many invitations have been given? 5000, which means that remaining 2641 had to be picked from this 461 to 470 range. Okay, and how many people are sitting here? 12,007. So you see that this range between 461 and 470 has large number of candidates, and the new candidate who entered above this range were in 2000 plus. So considering, say the draw happens next week and same number of candidates enter and exit, the score range again would be between 461 to 470. Now we don't know what exactly that would be. Say in today's case, when the cutoff would have been looked at, these 5000 number were not getting filled even with the score of 470. So they had to go to 469, and there they would have found more number of candidate which would have made the total invitation more than 5000. So they had to do a tie breaking. Okay, so this is the logic I get. So this time you comment and let me know what the CRS cutoff score will be, and also what is your suggestion for the candidates who are in range of 461 to 470, what they should do to improve their score and get into the range above 471 plus. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you liked it, please comment and press the like button, as well as share with your friends and family so that they don't guess but are able to predict with data like this. Thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.